Open any browser, Google search box to type like that, and go to this first URL asus.com, this official website. So just click on it. After that you can see this is 2025. If it is old, so no worry, because driver it is same. Just click on it, then click on support, then click on driver and download. You can see this is also model number there. Okay, so select operating system, Windows 11 64-bit. If you are using Windows 10, so no problem, you can install it, it will support and install it. Okay, scroll down and chipset driver. Okay, click on download. After that you can see it will start downloading in the progress in the right side corner. Okay, just single click after download, and then click on yes, then okay, next, I accept, next, install, next, installed. So it is completed. Then you can restart, because restart is mandatory.